Thanks for joining me for this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the major muscle groups and the major muscles in the human body, okay, as a part of our Fitness for Life course and other PE courses that you might take. It's important to know the names of these muscles, okay? A lot of times in videos that you're going to watch, they're going to be referred to, and so it's important that you know what they are. So I'm going to go through these quickly with you so you can study these and make sure you know them, okay? Our first muscle is your tibialis anterior, okay? Tibialis anterior is this big shin muscle right here. Okay, this big one when you kind of lift your toes up, this one that flexes right there. Okay? Our next muscle is called our gastrocnemius, also known as your calf muscle. Okay, gastrocnemius is this back big muscle here on the back part of your leg. Okay, right here, that big calf muscle. As you lift your toes and you go stand up on the tops of your toes, that's the one that's going to flex and make that happen. Your abdominals, okay, obviously you probably know what those are. Okay, those are going to be this front part of your core area. For this next one, let me actually grab our poster up here, and hopefully we can see this as needed. This next set of muscles is your external abdominal obliques. Okay, those are going to be these muscles right here, your obliques, your abdominals right here. Okay. Next muscle that we'll actually need our poster for again is the serratus anterior. Okay, serratus anterior up by your rib cage. Okay, you're going to see these muscles right up in here. Okay, that's your serratus anterior. Quadriceps. Okay, also known as the quads. Those are these big muscles in the front of your leg right here, okay? Quad means four. There's actually four really big muscles that kind of we refer to when we say quads, but that's what those are. Okay. Pectoralis major, also referred to as your pecs, are important for your arm and shoulder movement. That's going to be this muscle group right in here. Our next muscle, back over to our little muscle mannequin, that we're going to show you is the deltoid muscle. Deltoid muscle is a reference to the shoulder muscle up here. Okay, deltoids. Biceps. Biceps are this front muscle on the upper arm. Okay, biceps. There's actually two of them that involve the biceps. Triceps is our next muscle. The triceps are the back part of this arm right here. Okay, these back muscles on the back part of your arm. Hamstrings. Your hamstrings are referring to this muscle group that's on the back part of your upper leg right here. These are your hamstrings. Latissimus dorsi, also known as your lats. Those are these big muscles back up here, okay? Your lats. They come right under here and attach into your back. Erector spinae. The erector spinae muscles are these big back muscles right here that go up your back and help your back stay erect. Gluteus maximus, also known as your glutes. These big muscles right here on the back side. And then for fun, let's talk about your sternocleidomastoid. I just like saying it. Sternocleidomastoid. Okay, your sternocleidomastoid is that big muscle in your neck right there. That's your sternocleidomastoid. The reason we call it a sternocleidomastoid, and this kind of actually helps me talk to you about why we call muscles what we call them. It attaches from your sternum to your clavicle and also to your mas, right, which is referring to your jaw. Okay, so this big muscle here, sternocleidomastoid, that's how a lot of muscles are named. Okay, they usually have reference to the bones that they're connected to or the area of the body that they're connected to or what they do, as in the case of erector spinae, it makes your spine erect and stand up straight. And so those are the muscles that you need to know. Make sure you study them well, make sure you know how to spell them, and look for those to be quizzed in a future part of this course. Thanks for joining me for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.